Hey everyone, this is Dhruv Arora, and a final year student from Thapar Institute of Engineering and Technology, Patiala. And this is my assessment video of QA testing of web page of QAI. So now let's just jump to the testing and do some great works. In this, I will not only tell the bugs or the issues, but I will also tell which is like what functionality you have implemented is good or bad. So let's just jump to the testing. And when we open the link, first of all, we land on this create new account page. I guess this functionality is good. There's no need to change. So let's just create our new account. Okay, let us suppose my name is Dhruv. I write my name Dhruv. For the email, right now I'm not writing in proper format. Let us suppose Dhruv45678 no at the rate gmail.com. And for the password, okay, let us suppose we write a proper password. So when I create, when I press on the create account, okay, so we don't direct our page any forward because our mail is not correct, right? But there is no proper error message or a proper validation message in front of in this UI. So first error, there should be a proper validation message or an error message for the user, like what is error in this page or not. So now let us like for now we will test the next scenario. Like I will write this in a proper mail format at the rate gmail.com. So we can also see there is no guidelines of the password, like what will be the minimum length, any special character required, any lowercase, any uppercase, nothing written. So for now, I'll just write my password A and 1. Now let us create an account. Now again, there is no validation or error message. It is not like we are not going on the main page because of this password. So second error, there should be a proper, like how can I say, there should be proper way written, like what is the requirement of password. Like there should be a proper one uppercase, one lowercase, minimum 8 length, a special character, a number, there should be written properly. So now we create a proper password. Okay, now everything is good. We will go to create account. Okay, so now we'll forward. In between, we also see there was for the loading in English, loading was written with dot dot dot. I guess for the US perspective and the conventional practice, it is not good. For loading, there should be a proper round circle with a blur screen. This is the third error. So for the loading, there should be proper changes. So now we get launched on our main page or the home page. We can see there is written welcome. This is good. This is QA and SMA video. This is also good. Task written, and this is also good. Now we will check the CSS responsiveness. Okay, like user will not only use on 100%, it can be on 90%, 80%, like in a playmate or a bore way. So we will check the CSS responsiveness. Like now this is on 90%, 80%, 75%. Like 75% is the borderline. So it is working good. Now we will test the above 100%. Like now we are on 100%, 110, 25, 150. This is good. Like this is commendable. Like our CSS is not is not breaking on any of the resolution changes. So okay, now we will see. Now we can see there are two buttons, logout and delete. Now we will just simply firstly test the logout button. Okay, okay, we simply jump down the main page. This is, I guess this is properly a wrong practice. There should be a proper again a validation or a check. Like when I press logout, there should be a checkbox which should come, like do you want to log out, yes or no. Like if I am in an important work and I accidentally press logout, then I will lost all my data. So there should be a proper check message. If yes, then only logout. If no, then obviously no. So fourth error, there should be a proper yes or no for the logout. Now we directly launched get on our sign in page, which is again, like I also mentioned, for the features, this is a good feature. Now we will try to log in with not with our mail ID which we registered, with the wrong mail ID. Dhruv 1 2 3 4. This is the random mail ID at the rate gmail.com. Again, let me mention, there should be proper validation for the same scenarios which I shown in the create account page. Let's through. Okay, now I have a wrong mail, wrong password. Let's just sign in. Again, loading. Sign in on the sign in. There should not be a loading page when I press sign in. If we have to check firstly, if the mail and password is correct, then only there should be a loading page, otherwise not. If there is a wrong email id, wrong password, when I press sign in, it should stop at that point and tell me with a validation message or an error or any of the way to let the user know that there is a wrong email ID or password. And we also see that in a sign in, we are writing wrong mail ID, which means our account is not prepared, or sorry, or it means our account is not created in the system. So it should give, there is an option of create account, yes, but there is not a message that your account do not exist, please create your account. So there should be a proper message again and again, or it should directly transfer to create account page, like your account do not exist, please create your account, as we have a sign in option at that. So if there is a mistake, user can directly jump back to the sign in page. So now I just have a sign in and a password. I have created an account with this at the now just sign in. Okay, now we are on the main screen again. We have tested the logout. Now I'm going to test the delete account button. With the name meaning of this name, I guess my account should be deleted when I press this button. Okay, so it is giving a validation, that's correct. Now we will press the OK, which means our account will be deleted. Okay, so this means my account do not exist. Okay, so like, oh, there is also message. This is the type of validation and message I'm asking in every phase or at every point. If there is a mistake, like in incorrect mail, incorrect password, account exist, account do not exist, like this. Okay, if our account is deleted, I guess we should not be able to log in again with the same account credentials. So let's just test. Yeah. Okay, let's just sign in. Oh, we are again logging in with the same credentials even after I deleted the account. So I guess this is another bug. Like, if I have deleted my account, how am I able to log in with the same credentials? So I have mentioned all the bugs in the video, and I will also prepare a separate document for the same. So that's all from my side. Thanks for this opportunity. Hoping to see you again in this forward. Thanks.